Hello everyone, how you all doing? It's Easter Sunday and happy Easter to all Christians faithful all around the world. I celebrate you all. And of course, Ramadan Kareem to our Muslim faithful, right? Of course, happy Passover to all the Jews. All right, that's just by the way. Welcome to this interesting technical analysis session, right? We'll be going over the Euro USD, the Pound USD, right? For today. If this is the first time you're seeing this channel, my name is Clinton, and of course, I welcome you to subscribe, like, and of course, interact. Comment section, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. This is really valued, right? Valued and powerful information you are about to find out. So don't miss any bit of it, and of course never ever skip any part of this video. It's a promise you'll find this really valuable. Let's go straight into the business. All right, so to start off the week, the coming week, we're expecting Monday to holidays, right? At Easter Monday, then of course on Tuesday, FOMC member is going to be speaking. Wednesday, we're expecting the CPI. This is going to be a very volatile day. Expected, of course, towards in the evening, 8 p.m. we're having Governor Bali speaks, right? And that's going to affect the pound pair, right? And the pound pair is expecting GDP. Interesting, right? Of course, the PPI unemployment claims on Thursday as well. Then on Friday we have core retail sales and of course the retail sales and the consumer sentiment data. So the week, despite a Monday that might likely be very quiet, very little liquidity, right? Of course, Tuesday, Wednesday, we should see some liquidity entered the market, right? And of course, guys, go check out my site, clintonos.com. I post valuable information that will help you earn passive income online. And of course, I talk trend. If you want to learn more about Easter traditions around the world, right? We have it posted on our site. Really interesting article, I must say, very fully packed. Everything you need to know about Easter is right there, right? So of course, technical analysis. A while ago I posted update technical analysis for the euro and the pound USD, so you can go check it out. It's detailed, so you can just read it all and know what to expect for the coming week. Of course, also I posted a brief of it on my TradingView, so also valuable information. You can go check it out. So that's that. Let's start off with Euro USD on a daily time frame. Immediately when you look at the chart, what do you see? Right, very simple. You can clearly see that there's a pullback after this this up move from September 2022, right? So we can see there's a pullback, although there is no signal yet that price is changing trend, so we assume this is a pullback. So my likely expectation is that we have a trend. Might likely see A, B, C correction to either this target or target 2, then continue upward. That's what I'm thinking. That's going to take a lot of time to play out. So you can see is a daily time frame. Of course, zooming in, I've marked up zones, demand and supply zone. Simply not the regular type of demand and supply zone. I'm just expecting price to either find support here, or find resistance here, but I decided to call it a demand zone, right? All right, so that is it for me for the daily time frame, right? That's it for the daily time frame. Then the 4-hour time frame, guys, you can clearly see already if I decide to pull RSI, relative strength index indicator, right, you should see that price already is showing divergence, right? The price is making higher high, right? Higher high. Then the indicator RSI is clearly making a lower lower high, right? Lower highs, right? Yeah, lower highs. So we can clearly see that there's divergence between the price and this indicator, and of course that is a reversal signal, right? And though there is no change of structure or shift in momentum right yet, but it's very likely, right? Last week I expected it to happen. Unfortunately, price decided to go up a little bit further to reach the supply zone 3. So that is where price currently rejected from, and price has closed below supply zone 2, and of course it's looking like price is coming down to close above the 50-day close above the 50 moving simple moving average, and of course ultimately probably reach for the 200-day moving average. That is really basic and simple. Of course, these are the demand zone I'm expecting to provide support when price comes to that level. And guys, you can also see very clearly, more clear compared to the 4-hour chart, that of course we are seeing sign of weakness already. If you want to go by kind of Wyckoff, you kind of see a shortening of the trust already. We have seen high highs but not going too high like when price started this up move. So price is kind of like stuck in this region, finding it very difficult to go higher, right, in a rapid mode, right? I hope that English is correct, right? Sentence or whatever, context, right, is correct. All right, so that's that. And of course you can clearly see price already closed, kind of tries already 3 times, right? Number one, we see price close below this, right? This, then this, now this again. So 4 times price is closing below the 50 moving average, right? 15 period moving average, and is reaching for, it reached for the 200 twice already, and this is the 3rd time. So my likely see, if we see a close below and a follow-up through, right, my likely see price coming to reach for the demand level. I hope that is interesting enough, guys. If you find this video valuable, I will encourage you to subscribe, smash the like button, guys. Be part of this amazing community, right? And of course this community is growing so fast, so it's better you jump in right away, right? It will be interesting to have you among us. All right, so that's that. And of course the pan USD, we'll be looking at the daily time frame, and similar to what we've seen so far for the Euro USD, except for the fact that these relative equal highs, which in previously I thought is going to provide, I thought this supply right here is going to provide resistance, but last week proved me very wrong, right? Price went up to take this liquidity, and we're having a pull back already. So simply adjusted my zones to this one. So if this zone is validated, I will adjust my zone to the upper ones, as the case may be. But at the moment, these are the zones that I'm looking to see. The beauty of it is these zones, if you go to a lower time frame, probably the 15 minutes, you find that is really going to provide its setup for you if you know what you're looking for. So it's really that, right? So that is the essence of marking up the chart. So we can clearly see the last 3 trading day we have a down close candles. That's signaling that okay, we have a take of liquidity and price is pulling back, price is refusing to go up, and of course hitting the first supply zone. So my likely see a pullback to test this 50 SMA or the 200 SMA, whichever one, right? But first the 50, right? And of course, just like the Euro USD, if we pull up our relative threat index, we can clearly see also that there is a long time divergence building, right? That might lead to a very move downward, right? And that is a sign of weakness. That price is likely to pull back. And of course, the simple moving average 50 period has provided support, like come on, I want you at, okay, has provided support 4 times now, right? First, second, third, then fourth, right? 1, 2, 3, then 4 right there. So our expectation is that if the fourth one, right, could not hold, we might likely see, I'm not even expecting the fourth one to hold. 3 holding already, that is 3 wave upward, and 3 is a significant number, right? If we want to count wave, we can safely count 1, 2, 3 from here, like 1, right, 2, 3. If we want to look at the last 2 impulse, right? This is an impulse, and we'll fix a trend line connecting the 2 impulse, and we wait for the break of this trend line. So it can also be a way, depend on how you look at price, really. But what we are saying, if this support phase, might likely see price trading to this first demand level if you phase move. So if you go to a lower time frame, that is a really wide range for a day trader to take position. Like when price hits this level, you can see how much price move downward. That's like about 130 pips, right? So that's a really significant movement if you are trading off of a lower time frame. So moving down to a smaller time frame, like the 1 hour, right, is even more clearer. We can already see a down trend forming, kind of like a channel, right, going down in this very simple and slow manner. So if price reaches for this trend line that we identified on the 4-hour time frame, you saw right there when we identified the last 2 impulse. What was the last 2 impulse? One impulse, right, it broke this eye. Another one, right, it broke this eye. So kind of like ABC, right, A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, as the case may be. So that is kind of like a completed wave or circle, whichever theory you want to use. But we can clearly see that there's a very likely possibility that is completed and might have a pullback, right? So if those who are using trend line, if there's a break of the trend line, then a pullback is confirmed. You can wait for a rate test to enter your trade. I'm trying to clean up this because that is our reference going forward. I think by Wednesday I'll be available for live stream, right? On Tuesday I'll be out of trading desk. So I've been out for I didn't trade for the whole of last week. I can't remember trading, right? I am very busy, kind of, right? So that's that, guys. So I'll encourage you to please support me, right? I really appreciate you. I appreciate your support, please, guys. Smash the like button for me, subscribe, right? I want this subscribe, right? Subscribe to reach 100, right? Please do that right away. So that is what I think. If you have any chart you want me to look at, want us to look at together as a family, as friends, please comment section, let me know what's up. If you have any contradicting of view of what we just said so far, you are free, you are welcome. Please, guys, leave in the comment section below. Let me know what you think, let me know your thoughts. It will be very interesting going forward. All right, that, guys, that's it for today. Hopefully we'll do this again next weekend, right? But before then, if like on Wednesday, if I have time, we're gonna be doing what I said, so live or kind of daily review video, right? To be interesting, right, to do that. I hope I will have time, and please encourage me by liking, subscribing, so I'll be encouraged to do more of these videos, because It's not nice talking to myself all by myself, to myself and to myself alone. All right guys, see you next time. Bye for now.